it's your girl Pardonmybeautii TV, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're going to be making soap. So, as you guys know, I have a soap business, and I'm just going to be making some soap today. This is nothing that I sell, although it can be for sale. And if you want to buy anything, you can buy it off of my Etsy. So basically, I'm going to be making pink Himalayan salt, vanilla, and honey melt and pour soap. So this is what I'm going to use to put the soap in to cut. You have your silicone mold. I'm going to cut the soap with this. I am going to be stirring. This is something that, just a kitchen tool that broke. And here's my honey. Don't worry about, oh, this pure, is this that, because this is not for you guys' body. This is for mine. It's for my family. We are fine. Of course, I got the clear soap base. So I'm gonna come back, guys, once I melt this down. And actually, I'm gonna cut it up, and then I'm gonna melt it down. And then I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so after adding in everything you needed to add in, you're going to pour into your mold. I got this mold off of Amazon. If you check my other video where I'm explaining what I bought for my business, you will see this mold and where to get it at. It's okay if it's a little messy because it's just the outside. It's not like it's overflowing. Now, I did only make a little bit the first time, and then I went in and added more, but you guys will see that in the video. So if you're wondering like, hey, how did the soap get up that high and it was low? I was trying to do like a layering effect, but it didn't work out the way I wanted it to. So I went in and fixed it. And you guys will see that at the end. I'm not really going to be talking throughout this video. Just going to be showing you guys what I'm doing. I was trying to get like a little swirl effect in the middle. But I had to melt more soap. And because I didn't get it back to the silicone mold in time, it kind of dried. So you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Now it's back to the music. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. It's not too bad. I really was trying to give it like a swirl, what is it called, marble looking effect. I don't know if it makes sense. Maybe I should have mixed it more throughout the entire soap, but I am taking it out to silicone mold, and then you guys will see me cutting it, and that's how that's going. And yeah, this is what it's looking like. Yeah, it didn't work out the way I wanted to. It has like bubbles and everything, but that's okay. It was just for home, just for video purposes. I definitely know how to make it better, and you guys can let me know if you would like any. You can hit me up on Instagram at barluxe, and it will be in my description down below, and I will make you guys some that is actually very good, even though the soap is not bad, but it just didn't come out the way I wanted to. Trial and error, but the good thing about melt and pour soap is right away you can remelt it. So here I am cutting the soap in the soap cutter. I don't know, what do you guys call this, mold or whatever. And as you can see, it has like the ridges on it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next. If you would like more soap making videos, just let me know down below in the comments, and I will make more for you guys on the channel.